Hey everyone, Dave here from Backyard BBQ Smokehouse. We're here today to let you know turkey is not just for Thanksgiving. It should be cooked year-round. You can smoke it, you can bake it. I'm going to show you why I love it on the rotisserie, on the Art of Flame here. I just started the fire. We'll get the rub ready. Let's get started. Now we're going to put the rub on. Going to just coat it lightly with a little olive oil just so that the rub sticks. And then thoroughly coat it. The turkey's got the rub. It's going to give it a nice spice. Going to throw it on the rotisserie. Got some nice coals down there. This will cook for about 3 hours. Now that the turkey started, we're going to put the butter on the plancha with some rosemary, some fresh garlic, and some coarse pepper and salt. Let that melt on the plancha, and then we'll use that to baste during the cook. The smells from this rotisserie chicken are already incredible. Gonna start basting it with the garlic butter and rosemary. Look at that. Looks beautiful. The perfect side with the barbecue turkey that we should make more often than just Thanksgiving is barbecue beans. Barbecue beans go with everything though. We're gonna start these off. First thing I do is I take 2 pounds of bacon and 2 large onions, and I'll cook those up together and then put some spices in and mix it in with the beans to then put it in for a smoke. It'll smoke for 3 hours while the turkey's cooking, and they'll be perfect and ready to eat together. So again, first thing, gonna cook the bacon and onions up. Now that the bacon and onions are par cooked, we're gonna add the spices, the red crushed pepper, the paprika, the cayenne pepper, and the granulated garlic and granulated onion. We'll mix those in here. The smell's already amazing. Okay, while the bacon and onions are cooking, we're gonna drop in the black beans, and we rinse those beforehand. A little bit of mustard, a sweet barbecue sauce, and brown sugar. Now we'll mix that all up together. The crushed red pepper, the paprika, the chili powder, and the granulated onion and granulated garlic will all go in with the bacon and onions before put in here. Now the spices have cooked into the onions and the bacon. We're gonna mix it with the beans. Time to put the bacon and onions in with the beans. Oh, that's a pile of goodness right there. Mix this all up. And now we'll give it a nice long 3-hour smoke. We're gonna throw it in the big 1,000-gallon smoker with some other food that's cooking. And I'll just give it time for the bacon and onions to kind of infuse through the beans, and just the flavor of these will be incredible. This bird looks amazing. Beautiful looking turkey. The skin's nice and crisp, so moist. Turkey is definitely not just for Thanksgiving. The leg just rips off. Steam coming off it a little hot, but I can't wait to take a bite. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. Incredible skin on this too. Great flavor from the rub. It's got that little spice and just unbelievably juicy, good turkey. Then remember, spread love through barbecue.